Hey guys, welcome back. So today what we'll do is we'll learn how modern AI can automate and revolutionize kind of the customer service aspect of it, right? So now this video would demonstrate what we have the OpenAI's real-time API. Now OpenAI has introduced its real-time API, and I've also deployed a special dual agent which will handle your live voice call, like your customer service. So what you can do is I'll be sharing the GitHub link. You can download this. The real-time API from OpenAI would make it easier to build a production-ready app for your voice agent. So there are two aspects of it. One is chat agent, one is supervisor. Chat agent will handle the actual voice conversation, and the supervisor will actually the background run, call various other APIs or the database that you may have. So how the system works, yeah. So I've already got the code here. So how the system would work is, the clone will kind of import the next servers, the OpenAI, all of that will have all the code ready here. It will install all the dependency, and you can run the kind of the code, right? So yeah, there you go. It'll look like this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll connect. Hi, are you there?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, why my bill was $4 more this month? Can you check?
Sure. May I have your phone number to look that up?
123456.
Got it. Let me check on that. Thank you for providing your information. Your bill was $4 higher this month due to data overage charges. There were also international calls on your last bill. Let me know if you have any questions or need more details.
Can you get me the details of the international calls?
Let me look into that for you. Your last bill included $8 in charges for international calls. Would you like me to request a full summary with specific numbers and call durations?
Yes.
Got it. I'll get that summary for you. I'll wait a moment to retrieve those details. I'll update you as soon as I have everything ready.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So if you observed, this is amazing, right? With a tool like this, automated customer support is possible, it's affordable, the code is downloaded, it's with you, you can connect. There are a lot of ways. Maybe in the next video, I'll try and connect or possibly teach you on how do you connect this API with other database. Now, it was so intuitive. I think the chat automation was super fast. It was able to respond, and there are a lot of guardrails as well. I'm trying to see, there are clearly a lot of guardrails deployed here. In terms of components, there are guardrails here. There's a webhook to handle your TX here. Right, so what you can do is you can check all these codes that I've given, and in case if you have questions, please do let me know. You can obviously have more guardrails as well to kind of reduce. Yeah, there you go. Right, so you have all these information here, you can check it out. Okay, all right, thanks for watching my video again. Have a good day.